Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. Thank you all for participating in yesterday's trading activities on the Telegram channel. For those of you asking more questions about the trading tool we are using on the Telegram channel and how we are able to generate the profits which we are generating on the Telegram channel, then you need to watch this video to the end because you guys will understand how we have been doing it. It's very easy to do and you guys will love every bit of it. Just that you need to pay or to give me full attention in this video. Okay, so this is very important. But before we move into full details, okay, I would like to let you know that this is coming to you courtesy of Qora Digital Cash, and this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of my trading strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away because that is the only way you can benefit from whatever I am dishing out on this channel. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, so many questions were popping up yesterday on how I'm able to generate all the signals I generated on the Telegram channel. Okay guys, the beautiful truth about this is that I'm not the only one generating this signal. Okay, those that are having this indicator are also generating the same signals because it is the indicator that is generating this signal. It makes analysis very easy, and of course they've been able to trade with it. Even as we speak at the moment, I've been seeing trading results of people that are already going on and they are doing very well. And of course guys, I have not even sent out or post any signals on the Telegram channel. Okay, so this is very important. Mostly what I do on the Telegram channel is just to follow up with their trading activities so that they will know how they will be able to manage their trading activities very well. Okay, so that is what I do most of the time, except for those signals that are just popping in when I'm trying to follow up with their trading activities. So I let them know that the current signals has gotten to the end of the trend. They can close that and of course open the next signal, and of course they should follow up with SL, which is stop loss. Okay, so quickly let's see this guys. This is very easy to use, this is very easy to follow. Okay, all you just need to do is just for you to follow up with the exact signal that you are getting. For instance, right here we are at the support zone around there, which means when the market is at this support zone, especially a major support zone, it means that the market has oversold. I mean, it has been selling for a while, and of course it has gotten to the end of the trend. And of course guys, the end of the trend at that particular time, because it is possible for it to break out below the support zone, or if it has gotten to the resistance zone, it can also break out above the resistance zone. But the first thing we should always have at the back of our mind is that we may likely have a change in character, that is a change in movement of the market at that particular point, which is around here. Okay, so this actually got to this support zone. We got a buy signal around there. Even if you are not going to come in right away, even if you are coming in somewhere here, it's still a good trade for you. You can see you coming in somewhere here, and of course this actually got you to this level. It actually got to this level and it came down again before spiking up and up and up. Okay, you can see this is beautiful. Okay, this is how you trade. You already know that the market is already on uptrend. How do I get to know about that? Number one, this is coming from a major support zone. Number two, you can see this green dotted line. It signifies that the market is already on an uptrend at that particular time, and of course that is the best way you take a buy trade. Okay, so this makes it very easy for each and every one of us. And of course, to confirm our trading activities, we've gotten a buy signal around there, which makes it so unique and so beautiful. And of course guys, if you have gotten your trade to this level, I don't think this is really necessary. Again, you just need to adjust your stop loss to somewhere here about 30 to 40% of the profits made made already to lock it up in order for you to make more profit. This actually came down a bit and spiked up and spiked up. Okay, it came down again, spiked up again, and spiked up. Okay, at this stage I expect you to lock up more profit at this stage. As the market is going up, I expect you to be locking up more profit, 50%, 60%, 70%, till you get to a level whereby you will be locking up about 80%, which is something like this. You can imagine you locking up about 80% of the profit around there. It's so beautiful, okay, because the profit between sorry about that, between there and here will go straight into your wallet if it gets to your stop loss. Okay, this actually got to this resistance zone and it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Then you can lock up 80% of the profit, or you close your trade at that particular point. Okay, so this is very, very important. You can always use this to milk the market successfully. Okay, right there, that's about a buy trade. Now let's check out a sell trade. Around there we got a sell signal, and of course all I expect you to do is to go for a sell signal at that particular point. The reason is this is just coming from the resistance zone, and of course it has given us a downtrend signal, and right there we've gotten our sell signal also. You can imagine you coming in even around here, you would have milked the market successfully till you got to this region before spiking up. And even before it spiked up, I'm very sure if you had used the stop loss, you would have been taken away out. You would have gotten out of the market already, because your stop loss should be around the 60% profit. And of course this spiked up, and of course it four of us got to this to somewhere here, so you would have been taken away from the market before getting to this region. So that is how it works. Okay, that is how you can always take advantage of the market all the time. Okay, so you will always be in profit all the time, either you are buying or you are selling, most especially if you are trading the asset that is not giving us sudden reaction like boom and crash. For instance, if you are trading currency pairs, gold, or probably volatilities, and of course you will even enjoy the trading indicator more. Okay, but you can also use it to trade boom and crash. Personally, I've been using to trade boom and crash and then make a lot of profit with it. And of course, if you have been following up with my trading activities on the Telegram channel, then you will know that we have been using it for boom and crash mostly, and of course we've been making a lot of profit right from there. And that is how beautiful the trading tool is. Okay, so you guys that are having the trading tool, you can study it more and see how you can always be in profit all the time whenever you are trading. Okay, practice on your demo. It's going to work both on your demo and your real account, so it makes it very easy. And of course that is how it works, guys. I will be stopping right here. Remember that you can always make profit back to back on this. If it is $50 you want to be making on daily basis, you can be making it. Depending on your capital, you can even be making $500 on daily basis using this particular trading tool. It's so easy because it gives you signals on all the assets that you are using it on. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.